Hello, everybody. Uh, Now I show about object definition. Okay. Uh, you can define or create Java object with object literal. Yes. Okay. You can create your file. Okay. Create file object definition. Yes. .html. Okay, number six. Okay, and you can create very easy with object in JavaScript. Okay, now you can open script doc type for HTML file. Okay, open tab HTML and close tab. Yes, and then you can open body tab and close body, and in between open and close body you show a paragraph. Yes, creating a JavaScript object. Okay, and then I want to show property object. Okay, so that I can define one more paragraph. I can define ID for demo clause, and okay, and then we can create text script. Okay, and declare variable percent. Okay, I can create between open brace and close brace. Okay, now you can define the property first name. Okay, Kang. Okay, last name Chun Hua. Chun Hei. Yes. Okay, and 2 year. Okay, and I color. Okay, blue. Yes. Okay, and then I want to show in the paragraph demo so that I can assign by document or that get element by ID demo. Yes. Okay, and that in HTML the pro attribute for us assign value to it. Yes, I define a percent that first name. Okay, concatenate with is. Okay, and 8%. 8. Okay, and concatenate with 0. Okay. Okay, now I show the first result for you. Yes. Okay, you can explore. Very simple, very easy. Yes. Okay, this value. Okay, you can show Mr. Kang, and is 2 years old. Yeah, 2 years old is okay. And in JavaScript, each space and line break is not important. Okay. And object definition can span multi-line. Yes. Okay. Of course, you can create a line. Okay. You can prepare it too easy to manage your code. Yes. Very easy. Okay. Very easy. Yeah, simple, and you can prepare. It's good for your code and write. Okay, you can refresh. Okay, it's good. Yes, very simple. Yes. It, you can access its property. Yes, and now you can access its property with uh, in JavaScript two-way. Yes. Now I show you about access, how to access. Okay. I declare one more paragraph. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now I show you a paragraph. I show is first name and last name. Okay. I comment. Yes. Now I show the demo document dot. Okay. HTML person dot first name concatenate with space. Okay, and concatenate the person dot last name. Okay. Yes. Now I show you about again. Okay, and refresh. Oh, this problem. Yes. Sorry, property. Okay, not get element by ID. Yes. Okay. Okay, Kang Chun Hei, Mr. Kang Chun Hei. Yes, and sure, access. I told you again. You can access property object in JavaScript with two way. Okay, and the first you can use. Yes, you can use paragraph. Okay, you can use property, yeah, person dot property. Okay, or person person dot sorry, open this last name. Yes, last name. Oh, sorry. Pa- 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 pa. Property property. Yes. Okay. Okay, you can save uh, this way to way. Yes. Okay, this way you can use person object, yes, that property, and you can use with press. Okay, the first you can use this. Okay, and the second you can use and this. Okay, yes, now I refresh again. Okay, this is normal. You can access a property two-way in with sorry, and JavaScript. It's yes, is this way you can use with array style. Yes, in PHP, in JavaScript, you can use property with index of array. Yes, the same way array access to array. Yes. Okay. Uh, I show you about today. I show you about to definition, object definition, and how to access property with object. Yes, and two way and one way. This you can use object dot, yes, property name, and second way you can use with style array styles. Okay, object and with brace, and you can use the property name between brace. Okay, in double quote. Thank you for your learning with us. I think that you understand everything I show you, and then you can continue with next video to guide about to access to method with JavaScript. Thank you.